When scaling an e-commerce business, the instinct is to acquire more resources. You buy new software tools, increase your advertising budget, and hire more employees. But forcing growth this way causes operational costs to compound, and those new additions consume your capital just to maintain your baseline output. High-performing operators approach growth from the opposite direction. Instead of asking how to acquire more, they ask how their existing materials can produce greater results. They practice resource multiplication to extract new value without spending new money. This visualization shows our exact objective for today. We are going to take a single digital asset your business already owns and expand it into 3 distinct deployable tools. To start, you need an active workspace. Open your files and isolate exactly one raw asset. Choose a recent customer review, a product photograph, or a common customer support question. Mastering this specific extraction process is how you decouple your business growth from your financial costs. You learn to maximize the return on what you already hold. With your workspace open, put that chosen anchor asset front and center on your screen. We operate here on the power of one rule. Attempting to process an entire spreadsheet of reviews or a full folder of images at the same time creates overwhelm. Processing a single asset ensures you actually complete the task. Now we apply the Rule of 3 framework. The goal is to map this solitary asset across your marketing, sales, and operations channels. Here is how that framework maps out. If you selected a glowing customer review, that single piece of text branches out. You format it into advertising copy, you turn it into a social media post, and you place it on your website as a dedicated testimonial. If you started with a product photo shoot, the paths shift. That single image becomes the hero graphic on your landing page, a cropped asset for your social media grid, and the banner image for an email campaign. And if your anchor is a recurring customer support question, the branches move towards operations. You log it as a new FAQ entry, you feed it into your chatbot's auto-reply sequence, and you use it to update a product description. This mapping exercise exposes the hidden leverage sitting inside materials you previously treated as single-use. Now we execute the physical extraction. In this phase, raw utilization is far more valuable than design perfection. Let's extract the data. If you chose the support ticket, identify the core inquiry and write a 1-sentence answer. Copy that text and paste it directly into your public FAQ page. Take that exact same text, open your customer service platform, and plug it in as an automated reply. Finally, take that answer one more time. Open your main product page and list it as a clear selling feature. The main failure point here is getting bogged down in formatting. Do not worry about fonts or styling right now. Your only job is deploying the raw value into its new locations. This wireframe demonstrates the extraction method for visual assets. A single high-resolution photograph contains multiple compositions. You slice it into a vertical cut for mobile, a square cut for your grid, and a wide cut for a banner. Take a moment to finalize the creation of your 3 new tabs, or save your 3 new files based on whichever formula you followed. Completing this rapid extraction transforms dormant, idle data into active business tools. You now know how to multiply an asset, but doing this manually one at a time is an inefficient use of your schedule in the long run. To solve that, we build a systematized loop. This automatically routes new assets to multiple destinations the moment they arrive in your business. This text graphic shows the exact syntax you need to build a standard operating procedure. It dictates that if we receive asset X, then we automatically send it to destinations A, B, and C. Write down your specific if-then rule right now based on the anchor asset you just finished processing. Cementing the system ensures every future asset you acquire yields a multiplied return on investment without requiring any additional management effort from you. Review your workspace. You started with 1 item, and you now possess 3 distinct, ready-to-publish assets. You have just created operational leverage. You generated a significant increase in business output with 0 proportional increase in your financial costs. Your competitors pay a premium in time and capital to generate those exact same 3 assets from scratch. You produce them through smarter utilization. Deploy your 3 new assets immediately. Then execute this exact multiplication loop on the next 5 assets your business generates and secure your competitive advantage.